If you're excited about iOS 18 but it's not showing up on your iPhone, don't worry. In today's video, I'll guide you through some steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. First, let's make sure that your iPhone is compatible with iOS 18. Generally, the iPhone 8 and later models are supported, but it's always good to double check. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, you should see it here. If you don't see iOS 18, let's move on to some troubleshooting steps. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve issues, so let's restart your iPhone. To restart, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears. Slide to power off, then turn your iPhone back on. Next, let's check your internet connection. Make sure you're connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner and check your Wi-Fi status. Another reason iOS 18 may not appear is insufficient storage. Go to Settings, go back to General, and then select iPhone storage. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space for the update. If your storage is fine and you're still not seeing the update, try resetting your network settings. To do that, go back on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer a Reset iPhone. Then select Reset iPhone and choose Reset All Settings. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider checking for any restrictions that might be preventing the update. Go to Settings, go back to Screen Time, then select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure that there are no restrictions on software update. And there you have it. Those are some effective steps to troubleshoot why iOS 18 isn't showing up on your iPhone.